This video will focus on using the Find tool. For searching manually without a barcode to scan, use the Find tool. On any work frame with a search box, there is a Find button next to that search box, including at the top of the main screen. Click Find. A Find tool pop-up box will appear. Depending on which settings, if any, your library has chosen, the default Find tool will be Authority Record, Bibliographic Record, Hold Request, ILL Request, Item Record, Patron, or Record Set. Settings for the mode, qualifier, and relation will also depend on the defaults in place and whether or not the library has customized these. Options for mode include Basic Search and Power Search. Options for qualifier vary greatly based on the given topic. For example, a patron has options like name, last, first, middle, and postal code, while an item record has options here like call number and checkout date. Options for the relation also vary based on other parameters and can include exact, exact with an asterisk, keyword all, keyword any, or phrase. Keep in mind that not every Find tool pop-up will have all of these options, since some options are only applicable in certain circumstances. You can apply search filters as needed to optimize your search. To do so, click the funnel icon, click Add Condition, and then select from the various options to filter by, which are different depending on the type of search. So for example, in a patron search, options include things like address, barcode, expiration date, former barcode, has patron associations, etc. Select the piece or pieces of data that you would like to filter by. So for example, if I want to filter by birth date, click that. In some cases, you will need to choose the operator equals any or all in between the filter and the data chosen for the filter. Click the green plus sign to add another filter and the red minus sign to remove any filters. If you have multiple filters in place, you will have the option to choose and, not, or in between any two filters. Click Apply to apply the filters to your search. Once you have adjusted all your settings and applied any necessary filters, type in your search query. The asterisk can be used to view all results for certain search parameters, for example, all barcodes, all control numbers, etc., or to truncate a search query. Depending on the type of search, suggestions might appear as the query is entered. A suggestion can be clicked, or the query can be fully typed in. Click the magnifying glass to submit the search. A list of results will appear. Results can be sorted by clicking the desired column. Automatically, the results will sort themselves by that column from A to Z. Click that same column again to resort the results from Z to A. To select the desired result, either click the checkbox next to the desired item and click Open, or just double-click the desired item. If you are searching for a patron, like we did here, the selected patron's account will open. To go back to any set of search results from an open work form, click the Results button at the top right. There are some additional Find tool options, including seeing only a count of the number of results available. So if I put in a search query and I click Count Only, it'll only show me the number of results that appeared, not the list of results. Unclick that checkbox again to see all the results. Click the star within the search box to save default search settings for whatever specific type of search is being done. To save settings just for the database that you're searching, click the Search Database setting to drop down a list of options, then click the star next to the type of search that you'd like to make the default for all of your library's subsequent Find tool searches. In this case, patron is set as the default search. Click the hamburger, the 3 lines next to the magnifying glass, to select from column settings, search filter, and record set options. Selecting column settings allows the editing of the columns displayed in the results list, as well as the order in which they appear. Once you've made the edits that you'd like to, click Save or click Cancel. Note that the search filter options here are the same as those that appear when you click the funnel. And note that record set options are the same as those that appear when clicking the shopping bag. Most of these are just another place where you can find some of these same options again. When you're done, click Cancel. Click the shopping bag within the search box for record set options. Check the box next to Send Results to a new record set and choose a name. Warning: if something needs to change, do not click Cancel or the results will be lost. Instead, leave everything blank and click Apply to go back to the results. Note: for this option to work, click the magnifying glass again and all results will be set to the new record set. A prompt will ask whether the record set should be opened right away or not. Clicking No will return to the list of results. Clicking Yes will open the record set. Then to return to the list of results, click Results at the top right. Now we've returned to the results. Click the Add to Record Set button at the bottom for the option to send results to a new or existing record set. Note: this will only add the results you select by placing a check mark in the box to the left of each result. Once you click New, you will lose your existing list of results as the Find tool will close and the new record set will open. If you click Existing, the record set Find tool will open. If you change your mind, you can click Cancel to go back to your list of results. Otherwise, you can use the Find tool to search for the record set you wish to add to your results. From these results, you can either click the checkbox next to your desired result and click Open, or you can just double-click it to open it and see your list of results. At this point, the record set Find tool and the initial Find tool with your list of results will both close and only the record set you selected will be open. When you're finished with your record set, click Close. If using the Find tool within check-in mode, search for the desired item. To select your desired item, either click the checkbox next to the desired item and then click Open, or double-click on the item. The barcode of the selected item will appear in the search box. Either hit Enter or click the return arrow next to the search box to submit the barcode. The item, if it is out, will be checked in. So now you know how to use the Find tool.